In order to take the stone, you must lose that which you love. An everlasting exchange. A soul for a soul.
How's it going? Jesus. Maybe he's making this shit up.
No. I don't think so.
Because he knows your daddy's name?
I didn't. Thanos left here with the stone. Without his daughter. It's not a coincidence.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
If we don't get that stone, billions of people stay dead.
And I guess we both know who it's gotta be.
I guess we do.
I'm starting to think we mean different people here, Natasha.
The last 5 years I've been trying to do one thing, get to right here. That's all it's been about, bringing everybody back.
No, don't you get all decent on me now.
What, you think I want to do it? I'm trying to save your life, you idiot.
Yeah, well, I don't want you to. How's that? Natasha, you know what I've done. You know what I've become.
I don't judge people on their worst mistakes.
Maybe you should.
You didn't.
You're a pain in my ass, you know that. Okay. You win. Tell my family I love them.
You tell him yourself.
Damn you. Wait.
Let me go.
No. Please, no.
It's okay.
Please. You